Hi there, this is Ben with iPhone again. Today we're going to show how to set up an LEF Series system with an RY ACA external signaling relay. The relay lets us activate a third-party device when a call was placed on the system. These can be just about anything that can be activated with a dry, normally open contact. Most commonly, this would be something like a strobe light, a sounder, or sometimes an access control system's input. Note that the RY ACA is not providing power for any device. For demonstration purposes today, we'll be using this voltmeter set for continuity. To start with, we need to open up the answering station. In this case, we're using an LEF5, but these steps in the wiring setup would be the same for any LEF answering station. To access the wiring terminals inside, we can use our fingernails or a narrow screwdriver to pry up the plate. This will reveal the screws that hold the station together. Unscrew them enough to release the two halves of the station and open it up. Take care when doing so, since these parts are still connected by a bundle of wires. You'll see that the door station is already connected on one EN negative, which lets the door station call into channel 1 on the answering station. The white wire will connect to the channel for the appropriate door station. The red wire goes to positive on the power supply, and black will go to negative. These wires can either go directly to the power terminals on the station, or it can go back to the power supply. It's all a matter of convenience. Once these three wires are connected, we can close up the LEF5. The two yellow wires on the RY ACA are what gives us our contact closure. I'll be using a pair of wire nuts to connect the testers on the voltmeter to the yellow wires. And we're all set up. Let's see how this works. When I hold down the call button on the door station, the RY ACA activates. Once I release the button, the contact closure ends. If you need the external device to trigger for a set period of time, you would need to use a third-party timing relay or an access control system. If we had multiple door stations, we would need a separate RY ACA for each one. The white wires on the additional relays would connect to the channel for the matching door station, and then the red and black would still connect to the positive and negative. And with that, we have a working LEF system with external signaling. For wiring diagrams and other resources, see the links in our technical knowledge base in the video description below. Thanks for watching.